Number given in a picture. See how the numbers given in the pictures have been written. Here there is 1 10 and 2 units, that is 12. Here 2 tens and 8 units, that is 28. Here 4 tens and 7 units, that is 47. Look at the pictures and write the numbers in words as well as in numerals. In the first picture, there is one string of 10 beads and 4 single beads, that is 1 10 and 4 units, that is in words 14, in numbers 14. In the second picture, there are 2 10-rupee notes and 8 1-rupee coins, that is 2 tens and 8 units. In words, it is written as 28 and in numbers as 28. Look at the last picture. There are 4 groups of 10 sticks each and 7 single sticks, that is 4 tens and 7 units. In words, we write it as 47 and in numbers as 47. Write the proper number in the blank space. First is given as 2 tens, 6 units, as 26. In this picture, there is one string of 10 beads and 3 single beads, that is 1 10, 3 units. Therefore, the number is 13. In second picture, there are 4 bundles of 10 sticks, that is 4 tens, and 5 single sticks, that is 5 units. Number is, yes, you guessed it, number is 45. Think. Look at the objects, count them, and write their number in the circle below. Here are 3 groups of 10 boxes each and 4 single boxes, that is 3 tens, 4 units. The number is 34. Here, there are 5 groups of 10 boxes each and 3 single boxes, that is 5 tens, 3 units. The number is 53. In this picture, there are 4 groups of 10 boxes each and 5 single boxes, that is 4 tens and 5 units. Therefore, the number is 45. Read the number and show the same number of things. Strings of beads, singles, bundles of sticks, singles. Here the number given is 39, so there are 3 tens and 9 units. So we can draw 3 bundles of 10 sticks each in tens column and 9 single sticks in units column. In this picture, the number given is 41, so we have 4 tens and 1 unit. So we can show 4 groups of 10 boxes in tens column and a single box in unit column. Here the number given is 22, means 2 tens and 2 units. So we can show 2 strings of 10 beads each in tens column and 2 single beads in units column. Place value of the digits in a number. To understand a 2-digit number, we look at how many bundles of 10 there are in the tens place and how many units or singles there are. For example, in 37, there are 3 bundles in the tens place and 7 single sticks in the units place.